Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Lectalks YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the second program of third semester Java practical. So what is the practical? Write a Java program to print the sum of two numbers. So let's see how a Java program is written to add two numbers. So for that, first of all, we have to move to the command prompt. So when command prompt will be opened, pt/c. So previously I have stored, I have created a Java lab folder. Inside that I have written the first Java program. So here also I will do the same, cd space Java lab. So now I have entered into that folder. Now I will write the program in the notepad, save it in that folder, and again I will execute, compile it, and then after I will execute it, that program in the command prompt. So let's open the notepad. So here is the notepad. So I am writing the program import space java dot lang dot semicolon enter space expt curly bracket closing curly bracket. Let's make a space within it. Then public void within bracket gs curly bracket closing curly bracket. Inside that I have to add two numbers. So for that I'm writing two variables, int a equal to 20, comma b equal to 30, comma c semicolon. Next c equal to a plus b semicolon. After that, after the addition, I want to display this addition value output screen. Just like in C programming, we use printf statement in C++, cout statement. Similarly in Java, whatever we want to display it in the output screen, we have to write system.out.println. Uh, Within that, within double quotation, writing sum is equal to plus c semicolon. So here you see why import space java.lang.star is used. So this is a package. It is a language. Lang is a package of Java. To use the features of Lang, we have to import by writing this statement. Just like we are using libraries of C and C++. For that, we are using hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, hash include math.h. So various types of header files are there in C and C++. Similarly, in Java, if we want to use some features of lang, we are using import space java.lang.asterisk semicolon. So it will include all the features of lang package in the program so that we can use it. Second, class experiment2. So this is the class name. Remember in Java, everything every program will be written inside a class. So here the class name is experiment2, and the file name will be same as the class name. Whenever I will save it, I will have to save it with this name, experiment expt2 dot java. Okay, so after that, you see the main method is here, public static void main within bracket string args. So what does it mean? Why public static void main has been written? In C and C++, uh, most of the time we can use int main, or also we can use void main. But in case of Java, it does not return any type, so that it is written as void. Void is all time void is written before the main method. So what is public? Why public is used? So public is used because we want to access all the features of this main method from the outside. So when we'll execute the program, that means the JVM will call this main method. When JVM will call this main method, so it should be written as public so that JVM can access this main method. Otherwise, it cannot access this main method. So for that, public is written. So now, what is the meaning of static? So remember, without creating an object, if we are using the main method, if you are using a class, so basically, when we are using a class, we have to we use or we create some objects. But in case if we are not creating any object and we are using it inside a class, so at that time we need a static keyword that must be written within this main method. So it is written as public static void main. So what is this? This is command line argument. Whether you pass any argument or not doesn't matter, but in Java we have to write this command line argument inside the main method as a parameter. So this is the uh, basic fundamental things. So now we have to use three variables, one for a equal to 20, another b equal to 30, and another variable is c. So in the next statement, I have written c equal to a plus b. That means the value of a and value of b will be added and will be stored in the variable c. So after that, with the help of system.out.println statement, we will display anything we want to display in the output screen. Just like in printf, in C programming, printf statement is used. In C++, cout statement is used. Similarly, in Java, for any type of display, we need this statement, that is system.out.println, and within that we can write anything and that will be displayed in the output screen. So here sum equal to plus c, that means it is within the double quotation it will be printed, and plus c represents the value uh, that is uh, 10 a plus b, the value of a plus b that has been stored in c. Okay, now I will have to store this program inside the folder Java Lab. So for that, I am saving it as save as. Here you see this PC, C drive, Java Lab, and within that, I am writing ext2 dot java, ext2 dot java. Then I am saving it. So now my program has been saved successfully. So let's move to command prompt, and I will compile the program. So to compile the Java program, we have to write Java C, and then a space. After that, press tab. So when you will press tab, whatever classes or that we have already saved inside the folder Java Lab, that will be displayed. So I want to execute experiment2.java. So now I will press enter. So if there will be any error, it will show the error. Otherwise, if there is no error, it will prompt to execute the Java program. So it means my program is correct. Now let's see what is the output. Java space. So here we have to write Java space experiment2, then enter. It means we need not have to write experiment2.java or anything. Java space the uh, name of the file. So enter. So now you will enter it. The output is sum equal to 50. Here you can see the output is sum equal to 50. So in this way, we can add two numbers using Java program with the help of Notepad and command prompt. Okay, so this is the second program of third semester diploma computer science students. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.